Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it and welcome back. Either way, if you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we will be unboxing my absolute favorite box. What is that? The CURLBOX, okay? And for those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, I will leave the information down below as well as a link. Whereas, if you would like to get some money off, you can do just that, okay? So when we open it up, the first thing that we see is our description pamphlet, and it looks like that. And our theme for the month says sexy and supple curls, okay? And this is a gorgeous picture. I love her makeup. All right, and then when you open it up, it tells you all about the products that are included this month, okay? So let's just jump in and see exactly what they are, okay? Now, the featured brand this month is Curls, all right? And it says, now introducing the Sea Moss collection, available at curls.com and Ulta Beauty. Okay, one of the main things I love about CURLBOX, and I say it every time, is the fact that we get full-size products, okay? So, the pamphlet says, Curlista, you are in for a treat. This month, as one of the first to know about this brand new launch, Curls has partnered with CURLBOX to unveil its new line of sea moss infused products for all hair types. Sea moss is one of the healthiest types of seaweed on the planet. You've probably seen people drinking it, but Curls packed up its goodness into everything you need for killer tresses. It's anti-shedding, humectic, promotes length retention, and hair growth. Here's what you can expect from this month's lineup. The first item is the cleanser. Okay, and this packaging is gorgeous, all right? And this is called the Powerhouse Sea Moss Cleanser. And it says natural detox and purifying shampoo that promotes scalp health and encourages production of sebum in the scalp by drawing out toxins and free radicals. These toxins would otherwise cause damage and buildup on the scalp, which prevents the growth of healthy hair. Now, this is an 8-ounce size. And now our pamphlet says this powerful cleanser lives up to its name because it's turbo boosted with nutrients. It cleanses gentle and gives your hair a vitamin and mineral infused assist thanks to the benefits of sea moss. Powerhouse Sea Moss Cleanser. Okay? Then the next one we have is step number 2. And this is 92 Mineral Glow and Grow Conditioner. Have you ever heard of 21 Seasoning Salute? Think of this as that. Out for your hair and with 92 key minerals. As mentioned before, sea moss is one of the most nutritious forms of seaweed on the planet. It contains 92 minerals, including potassium, iodine, vitamin B, magnesium, calcium, iron, and so forth, all of which combine to give you optimal hair health. We're talking moisture retention, anti-breakage, and growth retention. Complement your wash with this conditioning treat designed for the ultimate healthy hair. 92 vitamins and mineral conditioner, and this is an 8-ounce size. I love the fact that these are clean products. It says contains 92 out of the 110 minerals our skin, hair, and body needs. Sea moss is a natural protein that naturally strengthens damaged, breakage-prone hair. Okay, I already know this is going to get used rather soon, and I do not see a shelf life on it, but I want you to know I'm getting ready to open it because I want to see what it smells like. I don't know what I was expecting it to smell like. Maybe seaweed? I don't know, because that's what they mentioned, but it does not smell that at all. It doesn't smell fishy or like the ocean or anything like that. It just smells clean. I'm here for it. Wow. All right, so that's the second item. Then number 3 is Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream, and that's this one right here, and it says hydrate, moisturize, nourish, and mind your business, but with popping curls, of course. Curlista, this is the ideal styling cream for all of your diverse looks. Define your curls with this emollient cream designed for your styling needs. Okay, it says you can use the Moisture Magnet Sea Moss Curl Cream daily or as often as needed to detangle, condition, moisturize, and define. Okay. Ideal for curlies that prefer a no-hold natural look. And this too is an 8-ounce size. It says lock and seal in moisture with this vitamin and mineral curl cream while conditioning and sculpting textured tresses. Soft, no hold. Okay, that is item number 3. All fill sizes, I told you. CURLBOX is amazing. And then the next item we have is the Nourish and Shine Sea Moss Foam. And that is this one right here. And it says turn a good hair day into a great hair day. With this multi-use foam, it's formulated to tame the frizzes and deliver sleek looks. Hold and definition to your variety of styles without crunch and flaking. I like it. Okay, and this one is a 5.75 fluid ounce size. Okay, apply Nourish and Shine Sea Moss to freshly cleansed hair to define and defrizz curls. Use on dry hair to touch up and revive flat curls. Okay? All right, and that one is item number 4. And the last one in the box is the Sea Slip Mineral Infused Curl Slime. How about that? We had Gorilla Snot, now we got Curl Slime. Alrighty then. Think about the sea moss gel that you've seen people putting in their drinks and smoothies. Now imagine that same good for you gel, but formulated for hair. This is a jelly that's perfect for eliminating frizz adding shine, sealing, and protecting your strands. Take advantage of the slip from the shine as a way to make styling and detangling less of a chore. I'm here for it. This one comes with a warning on the jar. Okay, this is let me just back up a little bit. This one is a 8-ounce jar. Okay, but it says, do not, and this is in all caps, okay? So they really want to get the message across. Do not use in conjunction with other stylers, cream, or leave-in conditioners to avoid flakes, okay? These are flake-free products, but if you mix it with other items that you have, you will see flakes. So they're letting you know in advance. Please don't contact them and say, oh, guess what? It's flaking. Did you read the directions? That's all I'm going to say. Did you read the directions? So this one has a nice clean smell as well. Alrighty. So I am here for this. I'm very excited to try sea moss for my hair. Sea moss for my body is pretty good. So if it's working on the inside, let it work on the outside too. I'm just saying. So now we can do the full body sea moss. All right. So what do you think? Are you excited to try this? You know, I am. And so even though I have so many others that I have not gotten to try yet, this is next up, okay? This is next up. So whether I wear my hair in a twist out or, you know, even if I slick it back and put a curly ponytail in or whatever, this is what I'm going to use next. So I'm very excited about that, and I can't wait to share that with you, okay? So let me know your thoughts down below. We love Curl's products, okay? Love their products. So I don't expect anything different other than to love this one as well. So I'm very excited to try. If you have tried it, well, it's brand new. So if you already rushed to the store some kind of way and already purchased it and have used it, let me know down below. If you are excited to try it as well, let me know that as well. It's too late, unfortunately, for you to get this through CURLBOX unless they have leftovers and put it up for sale later on. But you know, you have to sign up. You know, you have to make sure that you put your name on that wait list. So when it opens up on the first come first serve basis, you'll be in line for products like this, new to the market, okay? So I just want to tell you, thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. So we checked out the Curl's new sea moss products, okay? Courtesy and in conjunction with CURLBOX, okay? These are those items that are included, and down below you would see the total manufacturer suggested retail price should you have purchased it in the store and not through CURLBOX, okay? Now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.